Want to legally save $25 on your Lake County marriage license and skip the mandatory 3-day wait? If you are planning a wedding in Tavares, Claremont, Mount Dora, or anywhere in Lake County, you must apply for your marriage license through the Lake County Clerk of the Circuit Court. But you don't need to pay full price, and you don't need to wait 3 days before having your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. As a Florida licensed mental health counselor and national certified counselor, I am a registered course provider with the state. Today, I'll walk you through the exact Lake County process, what documents to bring, and how Florida law lets you save both time and money. First, let's break down the courthouse costs. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Lake County Clerk's office is $86. However, under Florida Statute 741.01, when you complete a state-approved 4-hour premarital preparation course, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by $25. That lowers your total cost at the courthouse to $61. Beyond saving money, there's a huge time benefit. Florida law mandates a 3-day waiting period between the time your license is issued and when your marriage ceremony can take place if either partner is a Florida resident. But when you present an official premarital course certificate when applying, that 3-day waiting period is completely waived. You can legally get married the exact same day you pick up your license. To qualify for this discount and waive the wait under Florida Statute 741.0305, you must complete an authorized 4-hour premarital course. At Cadenza Counseling, our state-approved course is 100% online and self-paced. You can complete it together from your phone, tablet, or laptop, and it costs only $14.49 per couple. There are no hidden fees, and your certificate is generated instantly upon completion. When you're ready to apply, Lake County recommends filling out their online e-marriage application first to expedite your visit. Then, both of you must go in person to the main courthouse in Tavares, the South Lake branch in Claremont, or the North Lake branch in Lady Lake. Bring your valid photo IDs, social security numbers, and your printed Cadenza counseling certificate. If you pay by credit card, note that the clerk charges a standard 3.5% processing fee. The clerk will apply your $25 discount and issue your license immediately, which is valid anywhere in Florida for 60 days. To claim your $25 discount and skip the waiting period in Lake County, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can complete it today in just a few hours. If this guide was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Congratulations on your upcoming marriage.